What is up, guys? It is Tate here. Today I'm going to be showing you the elgato tutorial. I'm going to do this. So, let's get started. Alright, so first what you want to get is just your regular old elgato HD. So yeah, once you get that, you have to have two HDMI cables, one that they gave you and one that you have on your own. It should be in your TV and your cable box, so up to your TV. But okay, so there's one slot for out and there's one slot for in on each side. Okay, so you want to put the HDMI cable one end into the outside and the other end into your Xbox in the back. Then you put your USB cable. You put your HDMI cable from the elgato to the TV in the back of the TV. Then you take this little USB cord right here and grab it. Crap. It's really long, so right here. And you plug it into a computer. Then after you plug it in, why do I not have my sheet on? You plug it into a computer. Once you do that, you open up the software that you downloaded on your computer for the elgato. Once you do that, you go to capture, and it should capture what's on your TV. But a problem what I had was, where is it? Never mind. Well, my AV cable, I had an AV cable and my AV cable that goes right here, and my HDMI in, so it wasn't working correctly. So you can't have that AV cable in while the HDMI is in. But yeah, and I also had my cords backwards, so figured that out. But yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on your elgato capture card. So yeah, I guess I will talk to you guys later. Peace out.